Hi, good morning everyone. Myself Santosh Rajendra Gola. Today is 13th 30 April 2022. Today's our topic is difference between array and the collection. Array and are object in Java. We can find their length using the object property length. This is different from the C and the C++, where we find length using the size of. The Java array variable can also be declared like other variable with after the data type, and the variables in the array are ordered and each has the index beginning from the 0, and the Java array can be also used as a static field and the local variable or a method parameter. The size of the array must be specified by the int or the short value or and not long. The direct superclass of array type is an object, and every array type implements the interface clonable and java.io serializable, and the array can contains primitive and int char and etc and object or a non-primitive references of a class depending on the definition of the array. In the case of primitive data types, the actual value are stored in a continuous memory allocation. This and in the case of class objects, the actual objects are stored as a in a heap segment. And first one, it is array are fixed in size. That is, once we create an array, we cannot increase or decrease based on our requirement. Collection are growable in natures, that is based on our requirement. We can increase our and or decrease of our the size of the array. And second, with respect to memory, arrays are not recommended to use. With respect to the memory collection, are recommended to use. With respect to performance, array are recommended to use. With respect to performance collection, are not recommended to use. And array can hold only homogeneous data type elements, and a collection can hold both homogeneous and the heterogeneous elements in the collection, and there is no underlying data structure for arrays, and hence ready to made a method support is not available. Every collection class is implemented by the on the same standard data structure, and hence for every requirement ready it made a method support is available. Being a performance, we should and we can these methods directly, and we are not responsible to implement these methods in the collection of the array. And arrays can be hold the object, and it implements collection can hold only the types and primitive data types, which can be in such as a int, long or char. Arrays can hold the elements as a data type in which a collection, and the on the other hand it can hold both homogeneous array due to the storage and internal implements better in performance. Arrays, due to its storage and internal implementation better, it performs, and collection on the other hand with respect to the performance is not recommended to use. And array, due to fast execution, it consumes more memory and has a better performance. Collection, and on the other hand, it consumes less memory but also have low performance as compared to as array. And array can hold only the same method of the data types in its collection. Example, like it is a homogeneous data types and elements are allowed in same cases, and it holds On the arrays can hold the both object also and the primitive data type. This is the example of array and the collection.